it's Matt here from That Leisure Shop. Today we are looking at the Via Monde pop-up Porta Potti tent. Very useful if you're camping somewhere and you've got a Porta Potti and you need to be private to go to the loo. It creates a tent which is 120 centimetres square and 190 centimetres tall, folds into this little bag which is about this big when it's folded flat. As you see, very narrow, shoulder straps as well. They retail at just $35.99. I would throw it up now and show you it fully assembled in the shop, but I'm likely to take a light bulb out, so I won't. So I'm going to hand over to Mr. P, who will do us the honours. Matthew, over to you.